If you have downloaded iOS 26 in your iPhone, then I have a good news for you. Now you can set custom ringtones in your iPhone without any external app. Before iOS 26, you have to choose only specific ringtones from settings. But for custom, you have to open My Files. But before opening Files, you have to download and save the sound which you want to use as ringtone. Then in Files, tap and share the ringtone. Now here you can see the option of Use as Ringtone. Tap on it, and this music will move to ringtones in Settings. In Settings, you can easily select that ringtone and use as default for calling. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.